The third fundamental principle of conscious manifestation is practicing the power of gratitude. My experience says that practicing the power of gratitude is the single fastest way of manifestation of all the dreams and desires in life. You must learn to appreciate whatever you have already got with you. If you do not appreciate what you already have, the existence will not grant you more and more of it. For example, whatever amount of money you may be having, you must be grateful for the same and you must appreciate the same. If you do not appreciate the same, if you do not feel grateful for the same just because it is not enough for you, then you will not be able to get more and more of it, or you may not be able to get enough of it. You should be thankful even for that amount of money which you already have. It may not be according to your expectation, but you must be grateful because there might be a situation that you could not have been able to manage even that much amount of money also. The very fact that you could be able to manage that much of money with you, you should be filled with joy and thankfulness for the same. According to the science of getting rich, your wealth is always in proportion to the amount of gratitude you have for the wealth that is already in your possession. In fact, gratitude is the greatest multiplier of things you are grateful for. Usually people are always complaining about what they do not have. Since their focus remains on not having, the same phenomena of not having multiplies in their life. Therefore, it is always advisable to appreciate all the things which they have. In fact, if you cultivate this habit, this will enable you to focus on what you have, and then having more and more of the same will multiply, having more and more of the same will grow, and in due course of time you will find that this habit is growing stronger and stronger, and a lot of riches will start accumulating in your life. And one day you will find that you have become efficient in attracting all the things of life you desire. You will find that it has become impossible for you to feel sad and bad just because you are filled with an attitude of gratitude. Even when you are surrounded by difficulties and troubles in life, in those moments also try to find out something to be able to feel grateful for. And once you find something or the other, you will see that the number of beautiful things to be grateful for will start growing, and a moment will come that the troubles and difficulties of the moment will disappear, and against it you will face pleasantries, you will face joyful situations, and you will find that the whole situation has disappeared and you are heading towards a better moment of life.